We're on verdict watch right now in the Jodi Arias trial, the jury deciding whether she lives or dies. ABC 15's Katie Connor has been at the courthouse all day now with the decision weighing heavily on the minds of this jury.
We thought the jury had come close to decision last Thursday, but as of closing time tonight here at the courthouse, no verdict had come down. Jodi Arias murdered her ex-boyfriend back in 2008. She stabbed him 27 times and shot him inside his Mesa home. Now, this jury will decide whether Arias spends life in prison or if she gets the death penalty. Legal analyst Hector Diaz says, even though we want to know a decision right now, we've watched this whole trial unfold in a much different way than the jury has, who's been tucked away for months.
We're getting this in social media. We're seeing clips. We're getting commentaries about the testimony and what this meant or how this may have been interpreted. The fact of the matter is that these jurors that are sitting here, because of the rules of evidence, don't really get everything that we on the outside are getting. So in many respects, they're viewing this trial in a bubble. They're viewing it in a vacuum.
The judge instructed the jury not to make any decisions based off of their emotions or any public feelings or how they personally feel about Jodi Arias. But that's hard when it comes to a case like this, because at the end of the day, they are deciding whether or not to put another human being to death. And that has to weigh on all these jurors' emotions. When they left the room this afternoon, they all were just very quiet, looked forward. It's really hard to see what any of them are thinking. We're going to have to wait until that verdict comes down. Of course, they will be back here tomorrow morning at 9:30, and so will we. We'll bring you any developments as we hear them throughout the day. In downtown Phoenix, Katie Connor, ABC 15 News.
Well, if you've been following this, you know cameras haven't been allowed in the courtroom during the retrial, but the judge is going to allow us to live stream that verdict both online and here on ABC 15. You can count on us for the most comprehensive coverage the moment the decision is reached.